Hello YouTube and welcome back to MiahsBug. Today we'll be wrapping up the driver cell roll cage build. Alright, back to our roll cage diagram. You can see all the purple tubes have been completed in the two previous episodes. In this video we'll be building and installing the green tubes. That will complete the A pillar and most of the B pillar. Of course we are starting with the level and plumb chassis, and then we'll start taking measurements for our first tubes. A trick I learned from the binder builder to make easy curved sections is to make a series of small bends spaced out closer together. I am using 3-inch spacing. Here I'm finish welding any areas that will be covered with the new tubes. Then grind smooth any high spots. Cut the tubes to size and notch for best fit. Check fit the tubes and make any necessary adjustments. At this point, I'm mocking up my EFF carbon fiber dash and marking its position to easily locate my dash tubes. And then follow the same process as before for the remaining tubes. All right, guys. Well, I think I deserve a cold one after that. That was a lot of work jammed in about 7 minutes of YouTube time. So, yeah, let's take a look at what we got done. All right, guys. Well, we got a lot done here on the roll cage. We got the whole entire A pillar done. We're working on the B pillar. We won't be installing the crossbar or the seatbelt bar until later on because it's just going to get in the way. I'm coming through this back section using it kind of as like an entry point. But so we'll add that in later, and also the door bars. We might be making these door bars removable because I want them to extend out. And the body won't be able to come off if I extend them out. So I might make those removable. I'm still thinking about that. But in this next episode, we will be moving up front here. And we will be tying in the main cage into the forward bulkhead front section here. So I already just roughly laid out some stuff with tape. But I'll kind of think about this a little bit more. And we'll go through. And on the next video, we're going to bang out all these tubes. I think there's like 8 or 9 of them. But anyway, after that, then we can move on to some seats, installing seats, and then get the transmission mounted. Once the transmission's mounted, then we'll be able to get our CV angles, and we'll be able to get the full limit and also full bump and know exactly where to mount our coilovers. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. And if you want to pick up some MiahsBug merch, go to miahsbugstore.com. I'll catch you guys later.